on out.
Hey y'all, it's an exciting day today. We're going on a quest. Is it for the Holy Grail? A +10 Vorpal sword? No. Today we gonna go on a quest for hammers and speed squares. Hang on. Okay, well, no luck yet, but I ain't giving up. I don't recall doing any work upstairs. Who knows? Don't recall getting out of bed this morning either, but here I am. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Well, wasn't that exciting? Don't you just feel like you totally wasted several minutes of your life watching me search for stuff that I should have known the location of in the first place? Well, we found everything but the framing hammer, and I'm okay with that because I don't plan on framing anybody anytime soon. We'll use a claw hammer because, well, you never know when you might need to bust out with a claw. And we'll use a speed square in the hopes that it speeds up some of my work. Enjoy! We'll see y'all later. Grace and peace, y'all.